ARCO's goal within the design build process is to bring our clients a partnership mentality that's going to not just know how to build a building, but understand how the building needs to operate for their business. And it's specifically important for cold storage. With cold storage operators, buildings are extensions of their business. They're not simply real estate assets. They're not something that's just anybody can move into and operate however they want. So with cold storage operators, they need a building specific to their needs. We try and bring that expertise and bring that knowledge and understanding of the business so that we can incorporate that into the design build process to give our customers the building that works for them.
ARCO did phase 1 of the project and we had a great experience with them. And from that, we decided to continue using ARCO for phase 2. In my experience, I think ARCO as a cold storage design build firm stands apart from others because of their process and how they approach a project and what they do with the customer and how they listen and how they want to know more than is typical. And I think that atypical approach is really impactful in cold storage and beyond.
Our process leads to faster delivery, in particular with the cold storage, is because our clients are evaluating a lot of different options before they make decisions. So our ability to provide them the costs very early allows them to move fast and make a decision.
With our integrated design teams, we have the flexibility to control what goes into the project from the very beginning and mold that into what we need it to be, project by project, detail by detail, and control the overall quality of the job, making sure that everything is done properly.
We didn't have any true change orders on this project, which is a rarity in any project, much less in cold storage.
The difference between ARCO and other contractors mostly is that engagement with the subs on site and the project managers, dedicated project managers that you work with, that you get to know, that you literally become friends with and you trust.
One of our values with FlexCold is that we're people. We pride ourselves on relationships, we pride ourselves on people, we pride ourselves on communication. I feel that ARCO was a perfect partner in regards to that. There was a lot of hurdles that ARCO had to get through with this particular expansion, and they lived true to the FlexCold values of just being people, having that interpersonal relationships. They were always on top of communication. I always knew in advance of anything happening when I had to know something or it was going to affect our operation.
I think that's one great thing about ARCO is issues come up, they develop a plan, and they execute, as opposed to just kind of throwing your hands up and saying, oh, it's force majeure, or it's some other problem that we don't control. They're actively trying to figure out solutions.